Am I recording? I don't know. Let's hope this is not as loud, because that last one was really fucking loud. About this? Is this really fucking loud? That was my text message. Be loud no matter what I do. That is the question. We'll test, just to make sure that this is working. Yes, I just had a comment post up on Facebook, which confused me, but it's okay now. Back to this. I bet it's working, and it's working well. Oh, and my dick is flashing. That's nice. Because I'm assuming you can hear me, even if I sit all the way up here, because I have the microphone. That's not the microphone. That's the microphone. Right there. Ta-da. Wonderful. Can you hear me if I just set this in my lap? Because that's all I really want to do. Starburst! What if I set it behind me? And that flashes instead of me. Can you hear me then? Can you hear me now? Do you care? You don't fucking care. Don't lie to me.